Welcome back to Bear County Court Law number 6. This is cause number 645-927, State of Texas versus Melanie Lopez, represented by Robert Maurer. This is a motion to revoke community supervision. The first document I'm looking at in this case is entitled Defendant's Consent to Motion to Revoke Hearings by Video Conference. It purports to have both Ms. Lopez and Mr. Maurer's signature on it. In fact, Ms. Lopez, is this your signature on this document, ma'am? And your microphone is turned on.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And Mr. Maurer, as attorney for Ms. Lopez, is this your signature on this document also, sir?
It is, Your Honor.
Thank you. The next document I have is entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, which is marked, quote, is a revocation of the defendant's community supervision. And the defendant has a right to appeal the court's actions revoking the community supervision, but not the underlying conviction. In fact, Ms. Lopez, is this your signature on this document also, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And Mr. Maurer, as attorney for Ms. Lopez, is this also your signature on this document?
It is, Your Honor.
Once again, in cause 645-927, this is a motion to revoke community supervision. My understanding is that this is going to be an uncontested motion to revoke community supervision. Is that correct, Mr. Maurer?
It is, Judge.
Ms. Lopez, in cause 645-927, on the motion to revoke community supervision, how do you plead, ma'am?
True, Melanie.
Court accepts the plea of true with an explanation. Ms. Gross, would you please advise the court and the parties of the status of Ms. Lopez's probation?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Lopez has been reporting as directed. We last saw her April 18th of 2022. Her case is paid in full. We show that she has completed 10 of her 36 hours of community service and that she's had 11 negative drug tests. She has also completed DWI education, victim impact panel, and the CATSNP program. She's currently testing on Smart Start Mobile, where she has had 7 skip tests and 0 high BRACs. I don't show that she has ever had any criminal arrests prior to this one. This is her second violation report, second MTR, and her officer is recommending that she be continued on probation on the Smart Start Mobile as is.
Judge, we'd also make that request. I think she's done a good job, and I think the skip test can be resolved, but I think she's really made an effort on this probation.
So all that Ms. Lopez needs to do to successfully complete probation is A, blow in the machine a little more often, and B, complete what? CATSNP?
No, everything has been completed. She just needs to stay out of trouble, continue to refrain from drinking, and make sure that she blows into her device 4 times per day. And then she will be eligible for successful termination on June 2nd of this year.
She does have some community service hours left, Judge, but does the court allow defendants to buy out community service?
She can donate $10 an hour to a court charity, which are primarily special operations, wounded warrior organization, and family violence prevention organization. That's not a problem. I got it. State recommendation?
Our state recommends increasing to 6 times per day.
Ms. Lopez, are we going to have any more problems with skipping any blows?
No, sir.
Okay, I fixed that. Ms. Lopez, in cause 645-927, the court accepts your plea of true on the motion to revoke community supervision. I deny the state's motion to revoke your community supervision, or to continue on community supervision with all prior requirements and no sanction at this time, although I have the authority to put you in jail for 30 days to get your attention. Do I need to do that, ma'am?
No, sir.
Another good answer. Susan, anything else we need to do?
No, sir. Not if you're going to leave everything the same.
She just needs to complete her community service obligation before the end of her probation in a month. Does that sound right?
That is correct. Actually, she expires June 2nd, so we would ask that it would be completed post haste.
Anything further from the state or the defense on Ms. Lopez?
Nothing from the state, Judge.
Not from the defense, Judge, and I'll talk to Ms. Lopez about the community service hours.
All good. Thank you, Ms. Lopez. Thank you, Mr. Maurer. Y'all are dismissed.
Judge, the court withdraws the warrant.
And we're going to recall all pre-trial services, bond conditions, and warrants.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Lopez, judge did not make any changes. He just gave you an admonishment to get everything done quickly. I will give Mr. Maurer a list of where you can make donations for those hours. And call Mr. Ovalle, let him know that you were in court this morning and that the judge did not make any changes, okay? So
Okay.
continue blowing in your device 4 times a day, no more misses. And if you get your hours done, then the judge will close out your case early next month, okay?
Thank you so much.
Good luck, Ms. Lopez.
Right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Melanie.
Mr. Good, are you ready to proceed on Mr. Reyes' case?
We still do not have paperwork, Your Honor. I
Okay.
was just texting Mary to find out if she wants me to send the paperwork directly to Mr. Good. And that way, maybe it would take a little time. She's having problems finding it. So I don't know whether she's done it or she has not done it. At this point, I don't see anything. Hold on, let me see. Maybe she did. No. So would you rather, Forrest, that I send it to you? Yeah, I think it's the best thing. I'm going to take us off YouTube, Your Honor,